Hello friends. I'm going to show you guys how to redirect from one activity to another on a button click. First, create a new project. Select Empty Activity. Give the activity name. Wait for the build to finish. In the Activity XML file, go to Design tab. Drag and drop button. Now give text and ID to the button. Now, go to firstActivity.java. Declare a button, which has been added, in the design. Now, initialize the button in the last of onCreate method. Now, create a new activity by right-clicking on the Layout folder. Go to New Activity, then select Empty Activity. Give a name to the activity, click Finish. Now, in the second activity, Design file. Drag and drop text view. In the text view, add any text to display in the second activity. Go to firstActivity.java. Here, we have to set an onClick listener to define the button click event. Inside the onClick method, we have to write the code for redirecting to next activity. For that, we have to use intent. The intent's first parameter is current activity.this, and second parameter is the activity where to redirect.class. Now, in the second activity.java, we can display a welcome message with Toast. Now run the application. When next button is clicked, it will redirect to second activity. In second activity, welcome Toast will be displayed.